Crash course on Philippines and top 12 attractions for your visits. The Philippines is a country located in Southeast Asia, made up of over 7,000 islands. It has a rich history and culture, influenced by its colonizers, including Spain, the United States, and Japan. The country is known for its natural beauty, with its pristine beaches, tropical forests, and unique wildlife. The people of the Philippines are also known for their hospitality and resilience in the face of challenges. Here are some interesting stories and examples to excite readers about the Philippines. 1. The Tarsier. The Philippines is home to the world's smallest primate, the Tarsier. These tiny creatures have large eyes and can rotate their heads 180 degrees. They are considered endangered and can be found in the forests of Bohol Island. 2. Balut. A popular Filipino delicacy is balut, a fertilized duck egg that has been boiled and eaten with salt or vinegar. It may sound unusual to some, but it is a common snack or meal in the Philippines. 3. People Power Revolution. In 1986, the Philippines experienced a peaceful revolution known as the People Power Revolution. Millions of Filipinos took to the streets to demand the ousting of President Marcos and his regime. The revolution was successful, and it is now celebrated as a national holiday. 4. The Ifugao Rice Terraces. The Ifugao Rice Terraces are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the ingenuity of the Ifugao people. These terraces were built over 2,000 years ago and are still used for farming today. 5. Chocolate Hills. The Chocolate Hills are a geological formation located in the province of Bohol. They are made up of over 1,000 conical limestone hills that turn brown during the dry season, giving them the appearance of giant chocolate mounds. 6. Boracay Island. Boracay Island is a small island located in the central Philippines known for its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. It is a popular destination for beachgoers, water sports enthusiasts, and partygoers. 7. Mayon Volcano. Mayon Volcano is an active volcano located in the Bicol region of the Philippines. It is known for its symmetrical cone shape and is considered one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines. 8. Palawan Island. Palawan Island is the largest island in the Palawan province and is known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and limestone cliffs. It is also home to the Puerto Princesa subterranean river, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 9. Vegan City. Vegan City is a historic city located in the province of Ilocos Sur. It is known for its well-preserved Spanish colonial architecture and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 10. Intramuros. Intramuros is a historic walled city located in the heart of Manila. It is a reminder of the Spanish colonial period in the Philippines and is home to several historical landmarks and cultural attractions. 11. Batanes Islands. The Batanes Islands are a group of islands located in the northernmost part of the Philippines. They are known for their picturesque landscapes, traditional stone houses, and rich culture. 12. Donsol. Donsol is a small town located in the province of Sorsogon. It is known for its whale shark sightings, which draw in tourists from all over the world. Conclusion. The Philippines is a diverse and fascinating country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and beautiful natural landscapes. From its legendary characters and geological wonders to its significant events and ongoing conservation efforts, the Philippines has something to offer for everyone. Whether you're a foodie, a nature lover, a history buff, or just looking for a tropical escape, the Philippines is definitely worth a visit. Here a poem on Philippines. Amidst the blue sea and the emerald green, a land of beauty, the Philippines is seen. From the towering mountains to the white sand shores. A paradise of nature, it endlessly pours. A land of legends, of heroes bold and strong. Where stories of bravery and love belong. Of Lapu-Lapu and his fight for freedom. Of Jose Rizal and his intellectual wisdom. In the cities, the hustle and bustle never cease. A melting pot of culture, a vibrant feast. From the Spanish influence in Intramuros to the towering malls in the metro, the choices are numerous. But the heart of the country lies in the rural plains. Where the rice terraces stand, a work of art that remains. Where the Ifugao people's ingenuity is seen. And the Banawe rice terraces, a beauty so serene. And when the night falls, the country comes alive. With the beat of music, the rhythm to thrive. From the barrios to the clubs in the city. The Filipinos' love for music, it's no mystery. Oh, Philippines, a land of wonder and delight. A place of warmth, where people's hearts shine bright. A land of resilience, where hope and faith never cease. A treasure to behold, a beauty to embrace with peace. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.